issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwest Cook County in northeast Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, extreme northern Will County in northeast Illinois, until 12:45 p.m. At 12:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail. This storm was located near Bolingbrook and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Darien, Burridge, Clarendon Hills, and Westmont around 12:20 p.m. Countryside, LaGrange, Indian Head Park, and Western Springs around 12:25 p.m. Brookfield and Westchester around 12:30 p.m. Interstate 55 between mile markers 267 and 282. Interstate 355 between mile markers 12 and 18.